Let me ask you this, because you mentioned something interesting. So the interrogatories, they actually, or the other party actually have to sign them under oath to say that these are my answers to these questions. And then the request for production, you're actually requesting documents from the other side that they have to produce to you. Is this more so that you can build a foundation for your case, or what's the purpose of it all?
Yeah, absolutely. You're gathering evidence to support your case. As a plaintiff, it's our burden to prove each and every element that you need to reach a verdict in a case. That includes who's at fault, the liability part of it, and also your damages. I think most of the people, when they think of a personal injury case, they think more damages than the actual who's at fault. But yes, you have to prove both sides, and only after you've proven that the other side is at fault can you hopefully prove your damages. But those damages include your economic damages, such as your medical bills. You're entitled to receive your medical bills. You're entitled to receive your lost wages. Any other economic damages, but you're also entitled for your pain and suffering. That's usually a good portion of what your damages are, is what you lost as far as your pain, your suffering, loss of enjoyment of life as a result of these personal injuries.
That's a non-economic damage, right?
Non-economic damage.
So basically, it's almost like building a house brick by brick is what you're doing through discovery. You're getting all your evidence together to move towards trial, so that you'll have your house built, so that you can then show it to the jury and say, here's why this is important. Here's why my client is deserving of getting a verdict.
Absolutely, and in that process, building that brick by brick, you're building hopefully a solid foundation of a case, and that's generally why once the other side sees that, that's when they kind of can assess their risk and say, hey, maybe it's time to settle this case, because they know exactly what you got. There shouldn't be, like I said, there shouldn't be any secrets between anyone. They know what's happened, what the facts are as far as the liability of the case, and what the damages are.